Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki and Joe Dominguez is a personal finance book that was first published in 1992. It provides a step-by-step program for transforming one's relationship with money and achieving financial independence. The book is based on the idea that financial success is not just about earning more money, but also about spending less and reducing debt. The authors argue that people can achieve financial freedom by tracking their spending, creating a budget, and reducing unnecessary expenses. They also encourage readers to identify their values and priorities and align their spending with those values. The book provides practical tools and techniques for managing money, such as creating a spending plan, negotiating bills, and investing in low-cost index funds. The authors also emphasize the importance of mindfulness and gratitude in the personal finance process. They argue that people can cultivate a more mindful relationship with money by becoming more aware of their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors around money. Overall, Your Money or Your Life is a comprehensive guide to personal finance that helps people take control of their finances and achieve financial independence. What are the money lessons from this book? Your Money or Your Life offers several important money lessons, including: financial success is not just about earning more money, but also about spending less and reducing debt. People can achieve financial freedom by tracking their spending, creating a budget, and reducing unnecessary expenses. It is important to identify one's values and priorities and align spending with those values. Practical tools and techniques, such as creating a spending plan, negotiating bills, and investing in low-cost index funds, can help people manage their money. Mindfulness and gratitude can help cultivate a healthier relationship with money. It is important to become more aware of one's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors around money. Reducing waste, living below one's means, and avoiding debt are key to achieving financial independence. Investment in index funds and avoiding high-cost financial products is crucial to building wealth over time. It is important to have a clear understanding of one's income, expenses, and savings and to regularly track them. People can achieve financial freedom by taking control of their finances and making informed decisions. These lessons provide a roadmap for personal finance and help people achieve their financial goals and independence. Your Money or Your Life is full of insightful and thought-provoking quotes. Here are a few of the most famous quotes from the book. The degree to which you experience peace of mind about your finances is proportional to the degree to which you have taken responsibility for your life. You don't have to live like everyone else to have what everyone else has. The purpose of money is to give you options. The way you handle money is a direct reflection of your values and beliefs. The only way to find true financial freedom is to live below your means. Your relationship with money is a reflection of your relationship with life. You can't get control of your money until you understand your relationship with it. Your life will be transformed when you change the way you think about money. The root of all financial problems is a lack of awareness of the true value of money. You will never have enough money until you have enough life. These quotes highlight the central themes of the book and emphasize the importance of taking responsibility, living below one's means, understanding one's values, and cultivating a healthy relationship with money. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comment section for your convenience.